Want to easily turn Google location history on or off on your Samsung phone for better privacy and control? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's jump right in. First, open up the settings, then scroll down. Tap on Security and Privacy, scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on More Privacy Settings, then scroll down. Tap Activity Control under Autofill Service from Google. Choose your Gmail, scroll down to the Timeline section, and tap Turn On. Scroll down once again, and tap Turn On once again. Now tap Got It. In the same way, you can turn it off as well. To do that, tap on Turn Off. Again, tap Turn Off or Turn Off and Delete Activity. Next, tap Got It. So that's the simple way to turn your Samsung phone's location history on or off. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.